6 weird but true plant hacks that actually work. Cinnamon for rot prevention. Sprinkle on cut stems or soil to stop fungal issues. Banana peel water. Soak peels in water for 24 to 48 hours for a potassium boost, not too often. Rotate your plant. Weekly turns equals balanced growth. Aquarium water. Great natural fertilizer. Chopstick test. Poke into soil to check moisture deeper than the surface. Coffee filter lining. Keep soil from leaking through pots with drainage. The real reason. Your indoor plants don't look like jungle ones. That tiny monstera on your shelf. In the wild, it climbs 20 feet and catches mist from the air. How to mimic nature at home. Let climbing plants climb. Use a fan for airflow. Group plants for shared humidity. Repot in rich, well-aerated soil. Add beneficial microbes via compost tea. Why your plant is alive but not thriving. Just because it isn't dead doesn't mean it's healthy. Wrong pot size. Too big? Roots drown. Too small? No room. Low-grade light. If room isn't bright enough, use grow lights. Old, depleted soil. Change it every year or fertilize properly. I tested 5 viral plant hacks. Here's what worked. Misting, only good for short bursts, not real humidity. Better option, pebble trays or humidifiers. Ice cubes to water? Bad idea. Shocking to tropical roots. Milk on leaves? Sticky plus attracts pests. Bottom watering? Yes. Deep hydration plus encourages root growth. How to design a low-maintenance indoor jungle that thrives. Start with easy care plants. Snake plant, ZZ plant, pothos, peace lily, monstera, spider plant. Put plants in zones. High light by windows, low light in corners. Use stylish planters with good drainage. Add moss poles or shelves to go vertical. Which trick are you going to try first?